In this video, I'll guide you through how to convert a quote to an invoice in Xero. This is really handy when a customer accepts a quote and you're ready to bill them because you won't need to re-enter all the details from scratch. Instead, you'll reuse the quote and turn it into an invoice with just a few clicks. First, open your browser and go to the Xero website. Log into your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, because invoices and quotes are specific to each organization in Xero. Once you're in, look for the main menu along the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Business or Sales, depending on your layout, and click on Sales. This is where Xero keeps all of your sales-related items like invoices, quotes, and credit notes. Giving yourself a second to confirm you're in the right area now will save confusion later. On the sales page, you'll see tabs or options for different document types. Click on Quotes. This will bring up a list of all your quotes, including drafts, sent quotes, and accepted ones. If your list is long, you can use filters or the search box to find the quote you want to turn into an invoice. Searching by customer name, quote number, or date can speed things up a lot. Next, select the quote you want to convert. Click on the quote line or on the quote number itself to open it. Before you move on, take a quick moment to review the details in the quote: the customer information, items, quantities, prices, and tax settings. If anything has changed since you sent the quote, update it here first so the invoice will be accurate. With the quote open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click those 3 dots. This menu contains extra actions you can take on the quote. From that menu, choose the option that says Copy To. This tells Xero that you want to copy the information in the quote into a new document. A small list of document types will appear. From that list, click on Invoice. Xero will now create a new invoice based on the quote details. You'll be taken to an invoice screen where most of the fields are already filled in for you. This is a good time to double check the invoice date, due date, reference, and any line items. You can adjust anything that needs to be different from the original quote, such as quantities or discounts. Now, instead of sending it immediately, click on Create Draft. Creating a draft invoice first gives you a safe place to review and make any final tweaks without the risk of sending the wrong thing to your customer. Once the draft is created, you'll see it marked clearly as a draft at the top of the page. If everything looks correct and you're ready to send it, go to the options on the invoice and click Approve an Email. Approving the invoice will post it to your accounts, and emailing it will send a copy directly to your customer. You can customize the email message if you like, or use a standard template. When that's done, your quote has officially been converted into a live invoice and sent off, keeping your records consistent and saving you time.